It's not called Ocean View Road for nothing, and this house has the best of those stunning ocean views. You drink them in from anywhere in the light-filled, long, open-plan kitchen, dining and lounge room, and from the master bedroom. The deck that runs the full width of the house looks out over the whole of Oneroa Beach and round toward Little Oneroa too. This place has its very own panorama. But it's not just the views that make this house very special. Its remarkable circular gate and distinctive koru carved wall panels are landmarks on the island, especially since this intriguing property is situated in the heart of Oneroa village. Locations simply don't come more premium than this, and one on the main street with its own off-street parking hardly ever comes up for sale. This really is a case of right location, remarkable view, and rare opportunity.